Alright, good everyone. It's a pleasure having you again on our channel. Today date is 10th. Yesterday in the video we posted yesterday, we did a mistake in the date. So we like updating you so that you will feel the reality of what we are doing. Like yesterday I showed you this particular badge. So they are still coming up. You can see them. They are 5 days old. You can see them, they are growing very well and they're active. They are 5 days old, still very fragile. And we have our shooters here. Come and see them. They are 22 days old today. So I'm going to show you where the bag is, which so many of you have been watching. But there's something unique. There's something unique that I'll be showing you in this particular clip. So you are going to be watching how we reused a male that we sutured. Like you say, things are becoming expensive, and as a farmer, we need to learn how to economize what we are doing. So one of the things that we do that I want you to also try, and when you succeed, you let me know so I can give you kudos, is learning how to make use of one testis for your breeding, and then suturing it, then using it in subsequent breeding. So in this particular clip, you're going to watch where we reuse a male that we have sutured. Then you're going to also watch when we are suturing it. So it's an interesting video, okay? So that is what we'll be showcasing to you today. Meanwhile, I encourage you, for those of you who have not gotten our manual, all these things I'm teaching you are in the manual. So when I keep stressing it, I'm stressing it because I want you to succeed because you meet us. I want you to succeed because you pass your manual. I want you to succeed because you register for a mentorship training. We record a lot of success last year, and this time around we want to record much more success. So let us go. Let me show you our fish. They have turned to Jabu fingerlings in 22 days. You know, those tiny fingerlings that people like buying in bulk. They're very active and lovely. So for you, you that is an agent, you can negotiate with us, and we can supply you and you sell, make your money. So let's go. See them, they are everywhere. So lovely. Let me just drop food for them. Can you see them? Can you see them? So we have them in thousands here, very active. Let me open this tarpaulin so that you can see. Wow, Jesus Christ, wow, oh my God, this is a bountiful harvest. Let's go to the other side so that you can also see. Wow, everywhere. Can you see how active they are? Can you see? So let's come over here. Oh my God, oh my God. Can you see? Can you see? So you can do more better than this if only you can be careful, if only you can be more diligent. Actually, raising them to this level is not an easy job. Demands sleepless nights, demands a lot of commitment. So I encourage you, just the way I've been doing. If you're a youth, if you're a worker, put in your efforts. Don't depend on the government. Don't depend on the urgent 2K or urgent 10K. Just bend them and work. Okay, this is just 22 days. At the end now we can fire them up, and we have another one. So in our subsequent video, I have so many videos that I promise you people that I'm going to do, but okay, let's watch this particular one. So tomorrow I will know what I will do, something far much better. But what I wanted saying is, I'm going to be teaching you how to make it big in this business, how you can depend on this business, how you can arrange it, and but first of all, most you need to learn how to raise them to this stage, because so many people are having that challenge. You need to cross, learn how to manage fry to survive, not just hatching, not just wasting good stuff, but turning that egg to finger is not just fry. When you learn it, you will now learn how to stabilize in the business. Alright, enjoy yourself in the clips you're gonna watch. God bless you guys. Okay, so that's the mail. This mail was sutured some weeks ago. We actually collect one testis from the maiden and we suture it, we stitch it with thread and needle, which we are still going to show you the video. So now we want to hash again. This breeding was done last week. That is the fry you have seen that I'm showing you that today make them 7 days old. So that's part of the needle, the thread that is still remaining that I'm cutting off. So it have healed, it have actually sealed. So now I'm going to opening it again. Alright, well, my cameraman couldn't zoom this place, so you would have seen it clearly. So but I believe you can see trace of threads like stuff on the body where it was sutured. So the tissue have healed, it have naturally sealed up itself. So now I'm reopening it to make do with the second testis for the hashing that we are going to do. So I'm also expecting my students, especially all of you that are under our mentorship, to try similar thing. Okay, it will help you to save cost. You can use one good male to fertilize 3-4 female egg when you mix it with saline water. So just imagine how much you are saving for yourself, and whenever you want to hatch, you will now sacrifice one male for one female. Some will sacrifice 2 male for one female because they want to result. So we actually mentor you to see how you can reduce costs, not at the end of the whole hatching process when you are looking for your profit. You will not be seeing it because you have spent much. So trying to pick out the testes. I'm going to pick it out for him. You can see that the testes, even this one is not as ripe as the first one that we use, but you can see the trace of milk on it, so it was still okay. So what do you think will happen to this male after removing the testes? We cut off the head and we use it and make pepper soup. We ate pepper soup and we dry the other one. Okay, so that's the hashing. You have actually utilized it, and this is the incubation section. You can see the quantity of egg is not really much, but we're happy we're able to get something reasonable that we're using. So very soon you'll be watching when we sutured that male. Okay, so enjoy yourself. Alright, this is the suturing point. So it's amazing. Look and see from his clothes that were sewing. Anyway, I study zoology and we have control over life. The painful thing about this is that no anesthesia was used, so you can imagine the pain the male fish was passing through. But we use wisdom to get this done so that the male fish will not feel too bad. And we are hoping to see how to introduce anesthesia for this process, because this is life. This is life. So it's actually an interesting moment. So, and I believe you watch when you're collecting the testes in the previous video. So whenever you know you want to make use of one and suture, you need to be careful to avoid injuring the internal organ, because if there's bleeding, the male will not survive. So we use razor to cut it neatly so I will not damage any internal organ. Okay, so guys, enjoy this clip as you keep watching.
How about it?
So to my core members, I love you guys. I love every one of you. It was always a nice moment teaching you on camp. So I want to inspire as many of you that are back now. Take everything that you have learned serious. The best way to start is to start small. By the grace of God, a lot of skills were exposed to you guys. Beekeeping, fish farming, feed formulation, a lot of them. So take up one. That's my advice. Take up one. Take up one. Take up one. Don't just
be waiting when you have millions. Start with what you have. If you are scared, just let me know how much you have. Start. I have such an amount. I want to start. I don't know what to start. Just tell me. Let me help you. The reason why I'm saying all this thing is because there are many youths out there. After their service year, they don't have a place to feed their head, and it will be good for you to start learning a new skill. There are a lot of persons that will try to fix in big farm, but because of the lack experience, so do yourself a good by starting small. Use this 1 year to make great impact in your life. Use this 1 year to make great impact in your life. Use this 1 year to make great impact in your life. That pepper soup, I taught you guys a lot of things. I pour out my spirit, my best to ensure that you learn something. Can you see all that we put together? Alright, so it will be good for you after spending this time with us. And I see here you calling telling me, sir, I want you to fix me somewhere, or complain that there is no job. You have a job. You can be your boss. Try your possible best. Start now, start now, start now. You can see the way I'm screaming it. So even if you are not a core member and you are watching our video wherever you are, I will encourage you to make good use of this advantage. Be inspired. All you just need to do is to register for a mentorship class and get our training manual, and I'm sure you will get the best from us. Okay, so thank you guys. Remember, Fish College love you. Alpha Agro Green will love you, and we care about your success. Thank you.